Hi and welcome. I'm going to show you how you can start creating a very professional, realistic footage and videos using ChatGPT. So if you want to start let's say Faceless channel on YouTube, or you are interested in using text to generate videos with your text, this is the right video for you. I'm going to show it to you step by step. This is not one of the videos where you have to use a lot of tools before you come up with one video. Example, maybe use images from Midjourney or generate images and go to 11 Labs to make a voiceover, and that is going to take a lot of time before you finish with one video. This, what I'm going to show you right now, combines everything together in a very simple step. You just give your text and boom, voila, you have your videos. Very simple. So I'm going to show you to you right now without wasting much of your time. If you didn't subscribe to this channel, you can go ahead and do so, because there's gonna be a lot of interesting updates coming very soon. So now we are here on the ChatGPT. So let's keep a very simple prompt to ChatGPT. I want you to give me a script, a motivational speech script for the topic. Let's choose a topic. So let me just think of a topic. How to be a strong-minded man, something like this. This is just for our tutorial, just for us to have an idea how we can use the text to create or generate a video. So ChatGPT is now giving us the text, the script. Now let's see what we have. Motivational speech script, how to be a strong-minded man. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers, fathers, sons, men of all walks of life, let me ask you something. Okay, so this is the script. It doesn't matter if the script is good or not so good. We are just using it for the purpose of this video. So what's going to happen next is we copy this script. Now I'm going to show you the tool where we are just going to paste it to get our video. You don't need technical know-how. You don't need experience. You don't need to have skills for video editing, none of that. So now let's move to the tool. The tool we are going to use, or the website for this video generation, is called vid.io. So if you want to, you can subscribe to this website, but I'm going to leave the link below where you get 50% off of your subscription. That is going to help you to pay less money. So now here we have the tool where we can create clips, AI text to video. This is what we are going to use. We also have here create an avatar of yourself, where you can use your own avatar and let your avatar talk. Remove background, generate subtitles. If you already have a video without subtitles, you can use this feature here to generate the subtitles of your video. AI doubling, clean audio, eye contact correction, and slides to video. So you can use all these features. For the purpose of this video, we are going to use exactly what we are here for. So now let's go to AI text to video. So we select AI text to video. What kind of video do you want to create? This is where we are going to paste the script from ChatGPT. You don't need any technical experience. You don't need to do nothing. So we paste in the script. We click generate video. And here we can select an avatar, our talking avatar, and we can use either landscape for our video, or we can use portrait. But then let's use landscape. And the avatar, we can select the avatar that we want, so the avatar can talk in the video exactly like human. But then for the purpose of this video, let's select one avatar. Let's use this avatar. Okay, let's use this avatar. And for the voice, we have different types of voices, so we can test the voice. Let's see this, Alex.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Okay, so we can also select Alison.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
You can select different types of voices.
The quick brown fox
So
jumps over the
let's
lazy
go with
dog.
Brian. Yeah, you can select the type of voice that you want. We have female voices and male voices, so you can select different voices. There are so many. Look at the voices, the type of voices. So our avatar is a female avatar, so that means we cannot select male voice when we have female avatar. So let's go with Amanda.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Okay, we go with Amanda and we select Avery as our avatar. Now the subtitle, we have so many different styles we can choose for the subtitle. So let's go with let's select this subtitle, this blue here, there. Okay, so now the next step to do is just go to continue. Now it's rewriting our script that we got from ChatGPT, but we don't want to use this script, so we remove this script and paste our script from ChatGPT. And now the tone of voice, we select inspirational and target audience, young men seeking guidance. Okay, or we can select motivational speakers and coaches. And now the next step is we click on continue. So preparing the script. So this is how simple it is to use text to generate video. You don't need technical skills, you don't need to be a guru, and you don't need to use so many different tools to come up with something like this. So if you want to check out vid.io, I leave the link in the description where you get 50% off. That's going to help you when you do that, for you to pay less money. So now our video is generating. We're going to wait for it. Let's pause this video and come back in a minute because it's going to take about a minute or two. Hi, so our video is finished. It only took about 2 or 3 minutes. We have our video. So we just ChatGPT gave us the text. We use the text and now we have our video. As simple as that. We don't have to do any voiceover. We don't have to go to Midjourney. We don't need additional tools. We don't need anything. We don't need any skills. We just copied the text from ChatGPT and paste it here. Now we have our video. So now let's play the video and see.
Ladies and gentlemen, brothers, fathers, sons, men of all walks of life.
Okay, so I paused the video because I want to change the subtitle. If you want to change the subtitle, all you gotta do is you click on the video and then go to, wait, let me bring this thing down here. Okay, so the subtitle. Now you can change the text if you want. If you want to edit the text, you can edit it, or you can add more text. You can just play with it how you want it. And now we go to style. The style is going to show us the subtitle, the style that we want for the subtitle. So let's go with this. Now let me play it again and see.
Ladies and gentlemen, brothers, fathers, sons, men of all walks of life. Let me ask you something. What does it mean to be a strong man? Is it the size of your muscles? Is it how loud your voice echoes in a room? Is it how much money you make? No.
Like this.
True strength starts in the mind. And to be a strong-minded man, that's the real power. A strong-minded man is not the one who never falls. He's the one who rises every single time he does. He doesn't blame the world. He doesn't run from pain. He learns from it. He grows from it. He doesn't let emotions control. Okay,
so this is all about it. You create your very professional video using ChatGPT and vid.io. So now let's say you want to start a YouTube channel, or you want to start a faceless YouTube channel. Very simple, very easy. You can post as many videos as you want in a day. And secondly, all you have to do is get your niche and go to ChatGPT to get your script. You can get a very if you want me to draft a professional prompt for you, you can make the comment. You can say it in the comment and I'll get you a professional prompt. It doesn't matter your niche. You can just edit the prompt and get a very professional script which you can use with vid.io to generate your professional image or clips. So if you find this video interesting, I make this video very short just to show you how you can generate professional videos using ChatGPT and v.io. So subscribe to this channel because I'm going to show you a very important features of this tool in my next video. If you want to edit or you want to remove the avatar, you just click on it and on your keyboard press on delete. The avatar will disappear. And you can also use, they have so many features. It's not only these features. Let me push this at the top so I can get to show you. It's not working. Why is it not working? Okay, so like I said, there are so many features. When you click on audio, you can have so many features. Text to speech, you can clone your voice or add a voiceover. And here with the video, you can also add clips to this video if you want. So there are so many things you can use this to do. And let me see, by the composer, you can give it a prompt and it will add some clip or some more videos for you. Okay, and also we can use the text feature. Let me click on it and then select the text feature. So this thing is blocking something here, but then let me leave it like that. So that is it all to use ChatGPT and get a very professional clip or professional video. So if you find this video interesting, like I say, subscribe to my channel for the next upcoming video, and thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye bye. Okay, so before I leave, when you click done, you can go here and export your video. So let's try it here. Export video, and now we can export our video. By exporting the video, we can change the title. After changing the title, we can choose we can download the video, we can change the title and maybe somehow play with it a little. We can post it direct to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or send it to our email. And by the embed means you can get a code and put the video on your website. So now it's counting. When it gets to 100%, we can click on the download. We can also translate the video. So right now this video is in English. So by the doubling, you can translate the video into different languages that you want. But I would say if you want to translate the video, you can just go on and let ChatGPT give you the script in different language. So you don't have to go to the process of translating the video. That's gonna save you some time if you create your video using, if you get your script using ChatGPT. So let's see. Okay, so now the video is ready to be downloaded. So here, unleash your inner strength today. That is the title. You click on this small pencil, you can change the title, and then here you can download it. Now let's play it to listen for the last time.
Ladies and gentlemen, brothers, fathers, sons, men of all walks of life. Let me ask you something. What does it mean to be a strong man? Is it the size of your muscles? Is it how loud your voice echoes in a room? Is it how much money you make? No. True strength starts in the mind. And to be a strong-minded man, that's the real power. A strong-minded man is not the one who never falls. He's the one who rises every single time he does. He doesn't blame the world. He doesn't run from pain.
This is really
he learns
nice,
from it. He grows from it. He doesn't let emotions control him. But he's not afraid to feel.
Okay, so that's it for now.
Strength is not
Thank you
the
for
absence
watching.
of emotion.
Have a nice day. Bye bye.
It's the control of it.